Here's your market briefing from Rumor with AI. Regulatory scrutiny intensifies in the digital asset space as the SEC files fraud charges against Donald Basile. The commission alleges Basile diverted $16 million from the LTNM platform to purchase luxury real estate in Miami and Utah, alongside paying off personal debts. This enforcement action signals a renewed aggressive posture toward unregistered securities offerings and misappropriation of investor capital. Meanwhile, geopolitical infrastructure dynamics are shifting rapidly. The 3Cs initiative now encompasses nations representing $3 trillion in GDP. As the European Union appears to neglect Eastern priorities, U.S. influence is surging, reshaping regional infrastructure standards and energy security frameworks. This realignment creates new investment corridors for Western capital seeking to stabilize supply chains outside traditional EU bureaucratic channels. In the defense sector, Turkish conglomerate Aselsan reports a robust 15% surge in first-quarter revenue, reaching 34.3 billion Turkish lira. Export contracts jumped 69%, providing a critical buffer against local currency volatility. The company's USD-denominated backlog is effectively shielding margins from lira fluctuations, highlighting the strategic value of hard currency exposure in emerging markets. On the macro front, the U.S. Treasury has extended the deadline for the Lukoil asset sale by 1 month. The $22 billion deal faces heightened scrutiny as Federal Reserve decisions loom and major tech earnings approach. This delay introduces uncertainty into the energy sector's liquidity landscape, potentially impacting oil price volatility and cross-border sanction enforcement mechanisms. Competition in prediction markets is also heating up. Hyperliquid has unveiled HIP for outcome tokens with zero-fee entry, directly challenging Polymarket's dominance in the $63.5 billion sector. By removing transaction costs, Hyperliquid aims to capture market share from Polymarket and Kalshare, forcing a consolidation of liquidity in decentralized forecasting platforms. Looking ahead to today's release, the economic calendar remains relatively quiet with no major high-impact data points scheduled in the next 36 hours. Traders are currently positioning for the upcoming Fed meeting and tech earnings reports, which will likely dictate near-term volatility. The absence of immediate macro data allows markets to digest the regulatory and geopolitical developments outlined above without distraction. Investors should monitor the Lukoil sale timeline closely, as any further delays could signal broader geopolitical friction affecting energy supplies. Similarly, the SEC's action against Basile serves as a warning for crypto projects lacking transparent fund management. The divergence between Aselsan's strong export performance and the broader EU's strategic hesitation underscores the importance of regional geopolitical alignment in long-term investment strategies. As the market digests these mixed signals, liquidity may remain thin until the next major economic release. The interplay between regulatory pressure in crypto, geopolitical realignment in Europe, and energy sanctions creates a complex environment for global capital allocation. That's your market briefing. Follow Rumor with AI for daily market intelligence.